The Toaster Engines featuring Bill and Ted. One day, Bill and Ted were in Sunnyside Yard when an ALB-45 DP pulled up.
What's up, you couple of morons?
Oh great, Shannie's here.
Hehehe. And it just so happens that I'm running a Northeast Corridor Line train today.
How unfortunate.
Shannie can be a rather difficult engine to get along with. While she did her work without fuss, she frequently caused a stir with the other engines. Ever since she arrived in the Northeast, she had been trying to form a relationship with other engines, but was always unsuccessful because of her childish behavior. By this point, she had grown sick of being single and was desperate for a boyfriend.
Well, if no one wants to be my boyfriend, then it's time to do something more drastic.
Shannie used her own portal on the North Jersey coastline to travel between here and another railroad in the west. Usually, she was the only one that went through this portal, but this time, things were different.
Whoa! Shannie, what are you doing? Where are you taking me?
I'm tired of using engines on that stupid railroad over in Utah to ship me with you. It's time that you meet some engines over in my part of the world.
Let me go at once.
Never! I'm going to try everything in my power until you agree to be my boyfriend. Oh look, it's Bill and Ted.
Shannie, what on earth are you doing with this engine?
Hold on a minute. That's another big boy locomotive.
Not just any big boy locomotive, this one is going to marry me.
Shannie, I've told you 1,000 times. I am not going to marry you.
Yes, you are. Hey, Bill and Ted, what do you think of me and this handsome big boy together?
Shannie, this is not the way to go about this. You can't just force someone to be in a relationship with you.
Well, if you two won't ship me with this engine, then I'm sure someone will.
Well, I knew Shannie always had relationship problems, but I never thought she would take it this far.
What surprised me was that she was with the big boy locomotive of all engines. How in the world did she get that thing all the way over here?
Maybe we can ask that big boy about it. Hopefully we see him again.
And sure enough, they found him in Ivy City Yard later that day. Luckily, Shannie was nowhere to be seen.
Hello there. How are you doing?
The big boy glanced at them.
Not great. Shannie took me all the way over to this place that I've never seen before. And now I don't know what to do.
We'll do our best to help out in any way we can.
Thanks, you two. I need all the help I can get while I'm here.
Well, it's time that we properly introduce each other. What's your name?
I'm Ryan. I usually work in Utah and Wyoming on freight trains.
Wait, you still work?
Not in the same way that most freight engines do. You see, I'm part of the Union Pacific Heritage Group.
There's a whole heritage group? Why haven't I heard this before?
I'd like to know about that too, but we need to get down to business. Why did Shannie bring you here?
She's been trying to force me to be her boyfriend for years. I've told her thousands of times that I don't want to be with her, but she never listens.
Hold up. How did she even bring you all the way over here? You came from hundreds of miles away.
But before Ryan could answer, Shannie returned.
Oh, it's you two idiots again. Thanks for nothing, by the way.
As I said before, this is the wrong way to go about this.
I don't care. I'm fed up with being single. I'm going to do whatever it takes to make this engine be my boyfriend.
And so she took him away.
Take care, Ryan. We'll come up with some way to get you out of this.
To be continued.